Okay, here we have the Samsung Galaxy 3 and the LG Volt side by side. As you can see, they are about the same size. Flip this one over, flip this one over, and you can also see that the backs are almost identical, just the camera position is in a little different spot. I've left the tag on the Virgin Mobile one. The surface on the back of the Samsung S3 is a little shinier, whereas with the LG Volt it's more of a textured finish, with probably a little bit better grip. I've used this LG Volt now for 3 months, and compared to my Samsung 3 there's hardly any difference that I can notice as a normal person. I don't know if I have anything bad to say about it. Sometimes the uploads might be a little bit slower, but that's probably to be expected, I guess, with a second-rated phone company. Other than that, everything to me is just fine. I have no complaints.